You're here and you're actually watching me now. Ah, I'm flattered. Just kidding. Um, Welcome to the video, dear. So, today I have just one goal to. Okay, let me brief you. In case you've not seen the short video I made. So, I just woke up this morning and this idea came to my head. So, it's going to be an AI tool that's going to help influencers and content creators to make videos even while they sleep. So we're going to develop a module, an AI module that we can train using videos from this that these influencers have created. So this AI module is going to take those videos and learn from those videos and then create content, create video content in the style of those creators. So if you train it on with videos from a particular creator, it's going to create videos in that person's style using their voice, their um, accents, the way they talk, their face, obviously. Yeah. So that's the idea. So this is day one of making this AI tool, and my goal here, right now, right here today, is to develop a flexible, because I don't know, something can come up. So a flexible 30-day plan that I can use to develop a marketable MVP for this AI tool. So let's get to it. Gemini. Okay, what do I prompt you? I, so I don't know how to spell very. Jesus. So yeah, um, this is the prompt I generated for Gemini. I'm building an AI software that's going to create videos for content creators and influencers using their face and their style of speaking and their voice. So when the AI module is trained, man, it uses videos made by a certain creator. It's trained using videos. It's trained. What's the program? Okay. When an AI module is trained using videos made by a certain creator, it can reproduce videos that are very realistic and look like the creator made it. All they have to do is give it a script. I know web development and I've been building apps in React and Next.js for the past 2 years, but I'm new to AI. I've never built any application before. Develop a 30-day plan that's a flexible 30-day plan I can follow to build a marketable MVP. I only have 2 hours to work each day. Okay. Okay. Let's see what Gemini gave us. Yeah. Okay. This is an exciting and ambitious project. Leveraging AI for video generation is rapidly evolving. With evolving is a rapidly evolving field with huge potential for content creators given your React and Next.js background and limited daily time. The key to a marketable MVP in 30 days is a smart scope. Man, I really don't know what's happening today, for real. I'm stuttering. What's going on? And heavy reliance on existing AI APIs and models. You won't be building the core AI models from scratch, but rather integrating and orchestrating them. Here's a flexible 30 day, okay. Overall strategy. Focus on the magic. What does this mean? The core value proposition is realistic video production. Prioritize this over fancy UI UX in the early stages. Very important. Leverage APIs. Don't attempt to train complex AI modules in 30 days. Okay, that's true. So minimal min- minimal viable products. The MVP should allow creators to upload a video for training or specify a public video link. Provide a script and receive a generated video. Cloud native. Use cloud services. Okay, iterative. This plan is a guideline. Be prepared to adjust based on challenges. Definitely. Okay, 30-day plan. 2 hours each day. Week 1 foundation and API research. Days 1 to 7. Understand AI capabilities. Choose core AI APIs and set up the basic project structure. Day 1 project setup and research. Create a new Next.js project. Okay. Research existing AI generation APIs like Synthesia, Hadron, Hella AI, DeepMotion, or more open source alternatives like Deep Face Lab if you want more control. Okay. Focus on features, realistic avatars, voice cloning, lip syncing, text to video. So what this one is saying is I should first create a project and then research the AI APIs to use. Day 2, dive deep into choosing APIs. 2 hours. Sign up for trials, developer accounts. Okay, there's still more research. Day 3, basic UI and API key management. Create a simple landing page. Set up environment variables for the API keys. Okay. Create a basic form inputs text area for scripts. Placeholder for video upload. Technical. Implement basic APIs. Simple ping. Okay. Authentication. Optimal but recommended. Implement basic authentication. Okay. Authentication, right. Day 5, video upload and linking strategy. Decide how creators will train the AI. Option 1, simpler MVP. I want to change the plan a bit. Okay, today when I was reading um $100 billion offers, the book said it's okay, it's not today, but I once heard about the value equation when I was studying the $100 million offers, and it said um the value equation is, what's it again? The Let me try to recall before I search. The expected, no, the dream outcome here multiplied by the by the something, sure, then divided by how long it takes and the effort and sacrifice they have to put in. So it says we should try to minimize the effort and sacrifice here. The effort and sacrifice it takes for customers to use our product. So that's what I want to do here. The creators won't train the AI modules themselves. Instead, they'll pay me to do it for them. It's going to make my service more valuable. What is the million? What is the value equation from 100 million dollar offers? Value equation: dream outcome times perceived likelihood of achievement divided by time delay over effort and sacrifice. So we should try to maximize the dream outcome and perceived likelihood of achievement, and minimize the time delay and effort and sacrifice. So training AI modules requires effort, so they'll send their videos to us and we train the modules for them. I want to change this plan a bit because okay, the one project setup and AI research. Create a Next.js project and then research AI modules. Fair enough. So user authentication and profile. This changed a bit, but still okay. Day 3, secure video upload. Integrate a secure file upload mechanism for creators to send you their training videos. Okay. Week one. Platform foundation, creator onboarding. No. Day one. Project setup and AI tool research. Okay, normal. Crucial research. Look out AI software script. Okay. Day two. User authentication and basic profile. Implement fast user authentication. Okay. Day three. Creator onboarding. Technical landing page. Send out your videos. Should I be building the landing page on the third day? I thought it's going to tell me to build the engine, the AI integrations, the APIs, and everything. Why is it telling me to build the landing page on day two? On day three? Simple system. Extract creator, email, dates received. Okay, day five. Database schema. Define a database schema for user and AI model. Okay, designing the database. Okay, day six. Implementing admin access to AI modules. But why? Create a basic Next.js API route that's not only you, the admin, can access. Okay, that's only you, the admin, can access. This manually update the status of creators. Okay, yeah, this is important, I think. Day 7. 1 week review and refinement. 2 hours. Test the creator sign up flow. Ensure your internal tracking system. Oh, this one is not important now. AI model integration and video generation. Enable creators to generate videos using AI modules you have trained and made available on the platform. The 8. Creator dashboard. Model status display. Accessible. And day 9. Look, I don't like what Gemini is giving me. Honestly, I don't think I can work with this. I'm seeing a bunch of things I don't need. I'm gonna prompt ChatGPT the same way with this same script. Let me see what he gives me. Subcharts. Okay. Develop a flexible. Okay, let me make it clear here. That I want to make it clear that I am not that the creators are not training the models on our platform. I train the model for them. They use it on my platform. Build an AI software that's going to create videos for content creators and influencers using their face, their style of speaking, and their voice. Find the AI model Jesus is trained using videos made by a second creator and produce videos that are realistic and look like the creator made it. How to do is give it a script. How I want to develop an MVP, a marketable MVP in MVP, and this is what it should do. Creator and service, and this is what it should look like. Filters, send me your video. I train the AI and model using the creator's video. I use the model on my platform. No. I give my users I give the creator access that my model using my platform. Okay. So that they do not have to train the model themselves, and I don't have to build QR for them to train the model. The creator provides a script for the model platform prompts the model with a script, and then the model generates a video. That's all. And let's then download it. 30-day plan to build a marketable MVP using the Linux. See. For 30 days goal. So this is the script I came up with. Right. I'm building an AI software that's going to create videos for content creators and influencers using their face and their style of speaking and their voice. So when the AI model is trained using videos made by a certain creator, it can reproduce videos that are very realistic and look like the creator made it. All they have to do is give it a script. I want to develop a marketable MVP and service. This is what it should look like. Creator sends me their videos. I train an AI model using the creator's video. I give the creator access to that AI model on my platform so that they don't have to train the model themselves and I don't have to build UI for them to train the model. On the platform, the creator prompts the model with a script and then the model generates a video and lets them download it. I know web development. I've been building apps in React and Next.js for the past 2 years, but I'm new to AI and never built an AI application before. Develop a flexible 30-day plan that I can follow to build a marketable clean MVP using the leanest and cost-effective ways possible. I only have 2 hours to work each day for 30 days. Okay, let's go. Um, Planning and building in parallel. Okay, high level approach. Let's see what it is. Using an AI APIs, using existing AI APIs, pre-built tools that do the heavy lifting first. Focus on your effort on UI, UX, and workflow. I agree with this 100%. Data pipeline, upload videos, train, generate. I don't like this. I already told you I'm going to train the model myself. So what's wrong with you? Backend orchestration. I think this has to do with the APIs and the database entities. Keep the training custom. Keep the training custom models part manual at first. Okay, what this is saying is I should do it manually. I should train the models myself manually, so you don't need to build the AI infrastructure and the MVP. Prove users will pay for use. What's this saying? Prove users will pay for slash use the service, then invest in full automation later. Now you sabi. I'm sorry, but I don't know what he said there. I divided it into 4 weeks. One, understand AI tools and design products. Build data pipeline and back end. 3. Build front end MVP and test AI workflow. 4. Polish test with several users and prepare to market. Wow, this looks so interesting. It looks perfect, to be honest. Week 1 is for research and product design. Week 2 is to build the data pipeline and the back end. Week 3 is to build a front end and test the workflow. This is awesome. So day 1, research what's out there. Yeah. Find the model. Week 2, research existing APIs for face cloning, voice cloning, token head generations. Okay, interesting. Week 3. Learn the basics of deepfake talking head models. Okay. Week 4. Decide MVP stack. React, Next.js, frontend. Okay. Week 5. Design user workflow. Creator uploads video you train manually. I already have my user workflow. Design database and store where to keep videos. Okay, yes, this is important. Sketch UI. Onboarding, upload page, scripts, input page, and download page. This is important. 8. Build file to upload in why? Why? Build. Why do I have to build file upload? I am training the model myself. Oh, sure. Build backend endpoints to save uploaded metadata. 10. Build dashboard. List uploaded videos. 11. Research. Okay, 12. Research training pipeline. 12. Write a script to kick off training and save model. Build backend endpoints. Generate video. Okay, test and 3. AI integration. Create a video. I'm gonna create the documents for this. Let me put this in the documents first. So we are creating a folder for our application. Pa 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 pa. Why am I making that sound? My laptop is so slow. So slow. It frustrates me sometimes. It's 12. My sleep is cooked. AI service for influencers. AI service. Let's just name it the AI video generation tool. The AI video generation tool. Create. Okay, let's head over to Gemini. Head over to Gemini and ask it to please format this document so that it is structured. Ensure that you do not change any of the content. Sorry, I have to do that again using Canvas. Copy, paste, good. Canvas. This looks awesome. Export to docs. Please be fast. Thank you. Stop. Good. See what I was saying? My laptop is so slow. And now this page is stuck. I don't know why. Refresh. I'm connected to the internet, so what could be the problem? Sorry, have to wait and watch me battles my laptop. Just one click. Don't you work? Jesus. Better. Plan. So let's review this to make sure it's doable. How will I use one day, one full day just to decide? Um, I'll just, okay, I know what I'll do. For all these days where I practically have nothing, because I cannot just use the whole of day 4 to decide which stock to use. I'll just do the next day's work. That will even make me finish faster. So, design database and storage. Okay, this is important. Sketch UI. This is not important. I already have a UI library. Input page and download page. Okay. Week 1 looks okay so far. So on week 1, for week 1, the goal is to understand AI and design. Understand the various AI tools and APIs that are available and pick which ones to use. Designing the product essentially. So research what's out there, research existing APIs, learn basics of deepfake, decide MVP stack, design user flow. Creator does not upload a video. They don't. They send it to me. But fine. You type in the scripts and it gets a video. Database. Okay, this one is giving me joy, sure. Week 1 is soft. Week 2. Build file upload in Next.js and Supabase. Why? Why am I building file upload? They are sending it to me on WhatsApp, their videos, they're sending it to me on Google Drive or WhatsApp. I do not know why there's a file upload here. Wow. Build a backend to save, upload metadata. Okay, I think I need to change this. Please change the plan on V2 because I don't. I want them to send it to me on WhatsApp or Telegram. I'll upload it using Google Drive. I'll get the videos. Training videos. Train the model. Then provide access to model my platform. So the only time where the users get to interact with the platform is when they are providing scripts to download and scripts for the model to generate videos for them. Is that clear? How's the problem now? Copy, refresh. I don't know why I disconnected though. Honestly, I was just on my own. Okay, crystal clear. Did I say big one? Shit. Design the 30-day plan to follow what I have just told you. Only the part that talk about the users uploading videos to the platform. Week 2, backend and manual training. Week 3, front end. Do you know what? I'm just thinking, what if, oh, what if I just write a list of things I know I have to do to get this system up? Because I don't understand what this is providing, what this AI is telling me. Okay, so make this. Let me copy this. But sure, let's review this plan again. Smoke it out the window. Sorry, don't mind me singing. I know her videos are just rough, right? I'm not even sure I'm going to edit this. Just going to be like a live stream. The point is, I want you to see the rough process of how I fail or succeed in building this. So if I succeed, yay! You can just take this video, watch it however long it is, or this video series, sure. Click the learn from them and reproduce my success. And if I fail, you know one way in which you shouldn't do it. So yeah, I'm not trying to. Okay, I'm probably about to yap, so let's just get back to work. Research. Ah, what's this now? Okay. Control B. Okay, I have an idea now. Instead of asking it to generate a 30-day plan, it's like that's very granular, you know, telling it to tell me what to do on every day. I think it's asking too much of it. So I'm going to ask it to tell me the systems that I should implement, to tell me what systems to implement to bring this MVP to life. So then I can now take it, spread it across 30 days and see how I can and see what I can do on each day, if that makes any sense. So let's go back to the original prompt. Let's copy it. Don't know if this helps you, but I like to create a new tab, no, a new chart, I mean. Tell me I need to implement order to bring on a high level, tell me the system needs to implement order to create a marketable MVP using the leadness marketable and lead marketable MVP using cleanest time and cost effective means possible. Make it concise. Is this spelling of concise and action and direct? I won't die. I know what some of those words mean. Go uploader, model traded, backend only. Wow, this is giving me what I want. Script or backend microservice that takes collected videos, trains a personalized deepfake text to video. Wait, script of okay. I think I'll take it from here. Tech stock and so Okay. It just I just asked it for the core features. I just asked ChatGPT for the core features instead of a full blown out plan to create this app. So so far I'm okay with what it gave me. Wait, did I use ChatGPT or Gemini? I think I used Gemini. Let me ask ChatGPT too. Well, let me just use this. 8, that's where I stopped. Shit. So we have 8. So we have 8 core features here. Let me see if this makes sense. User authentication and authorization. Okay. Well, the first thing, I think I should be training AI first. So I think I just got what I need. Nope, this is it. Let's see, what do I change here? Video generation service. Okay, let's start from one. Okay, this is the plan. Let's review it from one. Creator onboarding and data intake. Private method for creators to send. Okay, here. Training pipeline. This is not even a problem. Like, this is nothing. Send the videos to my WhatsApp. That's all. So there's nothing here to deliberate on. Sure. Training pipeline. This is where the real work starts. Should build a service that uses the creator's videos to train personalized AI modules. Just basically training the modules myself. Look, I've resolved. I'm writing this to myself. Creator dashboard. If you ask me, I'll tell you I need what do I need? So first, we should research. And what's the final output? Oh, I'm lost too. To be honest, I don't think I know what I'm doing again. But let's see. What are the features? Login and authentication. If you're the user now, how would you use the system? First have to log in. Or did you have to pay first? Let's see. Hmm. Let's see. Okay, after they watch the ad, what should they do? To contact me. And I'll train. Okay. And training. Login and authentication. And authentication. Okay. Should I try to write user stories? This video is getting too long. It's already 1 hour. Shit. And it's 1:33. I need to finish this and go to sleep. Sorry. Back to this. Let me just try writing user stories. System as a user. Access AI window as a user. So these are the core features of the system. So next, it's up to me. What should I do? As the developer, feel free the model. No. Train the model So I think I can work with this. And the way I was able to do it was I was at the hub today and I just heard them talking about user stories. As a user, I have to, and I think it makes a lot of sense. But as far as the user is able to perform these actions on your system, you are Gucci. So this is what the user has to perform. Like basically, this is not marketable yet, but this is what I know I have to build before maybe look up how other services do it and then employ and then add other features, like tokens. When users finish their tokens or exhaust their tokens, you can buy more tokens. But this is the core of the platform, and I know that. So this is what I'll start building. Um, yeah, time. Let's see. Training the model. I want to finish in 30 days. Okay. I think there's a part I missed. No, I'm not complicating things. This is it. So the 1 to 5. So I think training the model is the core of the application. So if I nail this, I think every other thing will be easy. So that's what I'll focus on the most. Training the model and yeah, training the model. I'm going to give myself 5 days for that. If I don't finish within 5 days, then I'll escalate it. Whatever that means, I don't know. But sure, I'll escalate it. The 5 days to find and train a module, starting from tomorrow. Okay, that's all for today, I guess. What is the goal? Develop a flexible 30-day plan that I'll use to develop a marketable MVP for the AI tool. Have I achieved this? No. What did I learn? I learned that no matter how flexible the plan is, things can change, things can break. So I should not be rigid, but I should also stick to time. Have I done that here? No, I haven't. Let me do that. Okay, 5 to 7. Okay, 7 to 10. Okay, so this is it though. I've come to the end for today. Okay, not this. So let's eat this. So that's all. Ah, I've been saying that's all for a while now. I'm really tired. I need to go to sleep. Did I achieve this goal? No. But what did I learn? Um, things can break, things can change. Um, I don't know how the world is going to look like 10 days from now. So I'm going to do what's in front of me. When I'm done, I do the next. That's exactly what I have here. Very lean and very action oriented. So, okay, I'll see you in the next one. This is day one of trying to build. No, not trying. We're not trying. We're actually building an AI video generation tool. Yeah, peace. I know my delivery is horrible. Like, it's not easy to watch, you know. But I'm doing it for you, you that wants to learn. I'm not doing it for people that want to get entertained. Important. So if you're here to learn, stay. Else, go and watch other go and watch TV or something.